Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WordPress with Zapier for AI blog repurposing, full guide step by step clearly. To connect WordPress with Zapier for AI blog repurposing, start by signing into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. Next, click on Make a Zap at the top of the dashboard. In the Trigger app search bar, type and select WordPress. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new post or new comment. Click Continue to proceed. Connect your WordPress account by clicking on Sign in to WordPress. A window will pop up asking for your WordPress site details. Enter your site URL, along with your username and application password. You can create an application password in your WordPress settings under Users. After entering your details, click Yes. Once connected, you can test the trigger to ensure it's set up correctly. Click Test Trigger to retrieve a recent post from your WordPress site. Check if the information displays correctly before moving forward. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to add an action app. In the Action App search bar, type OpenAI or the AI service you wish to use. Choose the appropriate action event, like Create Blog Post or Generate Content. Click Continue and connect your OpenAI account. Input the required API key and any other connection details for your AI service. Once connected, fill in the necessary fields to customize how you want your content generated. You might want to use data from the WordPress trigger to personalize your AI output. After configuring the settings, click Continue. Test the action to ensure that it integrates properly with the AI tool. Click Test Action and review the results generated by the AI. If everything looks good, click Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. This will allow your WordPress posts to trigger content generation with the AI service automatically. You can modify or add more steps as needed to enhance your repurposing process. Consider including additional actions, like sending the generated content to social media or scheduling it. Make sure to review and adjust your settings regularly for the best results. With everything set up, your WordPress will now seamlessly connect with Zapier for effective AI blog repurposing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.